Hello, bro. Welcome back to my channel. I want to give some information to you. I have one application for airdrop free. The name is Aventra Network. Let's go to the application. I will bring you how to uh, get this application. Check this out. Yes, this is the application. You can see the maximum supply of Aventra Network or AVN is 1 billion, and mining total is 60,523. You can see in this corner, right corner, and this maximum supply in the left corner. And I want to give you or I will bring you to a Aventra website. Yes, you can read in this page. You can stake this Aventra network. So before the coin is listing, you can stake this coin for some additional coin. You can see this. Earn and stake. Stake your token to earn higher rewards and grow your wealth. If you want to join this airdrop, you can use my referral code. This is my referral code. Yeah, ERAN. You can use this referral code to get some more avian coin. If you wanna stake this coin, you can go to stake in this site, and then you can choose right here stake. You can choose 7 days, 15 days, or 30 days, and put your amount and then confirm. I have to stake this coin. You can see this. I have staked it. So if you wanna join, you can use my referral code this. So thank you very much.